Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. So what we're gonna do now, today, is we're not gonna make a lot of progress, or we might make progress because we're learning. And why are we learning? We're gonna learn today, right?
Yeah.
So he's done the MIG welder before. He's never done the TIG welder before. So he wanted to come out in the garage, so we're gonna do some TIG welding. And let's see. What I would like to do is have him TIG weld a piece of this car that is actually gonna stay on the car. So we're gonna putz around. If we get anything relevant, we'll show it. Maybe we'll just show it all anyways. But this is gonna be some good stuff, family time. This is what it's all about. I love this stuff. You guys wonder sometimes why I putz around and mess with stuff and break stuff and do stuff the hard way and learn everything that I can, and this is exactly why, because they're watching. They are watching all the time. Alright, let's get this thing the right size. So there's a little button on the back and you push it in and you can twist it. Now it's tight.
Yes.
Right? So if you reach up, push the button in, and then twist it a little bit. See that? That should be all you need. And you should be able to pull it off. Do a little more. There you go. Now it comes off. Hey, now we'll put it back on. So then now that you got it the right size, you just slide it back over, and then push it in and turn it the other way now to tighten it. Good?
Yeah.
Now knock it down. Yep. Cool. You shouldn't have to do that though, because this is the auto darkening, right? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Cool. Good stuff. So what we're gonna do is I have this piece. This is a V-band, right?
Yeah.
So that's what's clamping this on and holding this piece in. So what I think we should do today is we'll get the pipe welded to the V-band. Daddy can do that one. I'll do that one. And then we'll do a pie cut and I'll let you weld on that one. Okay?
How do I weld the bottom if this is stuck like?
We'll take it off. So when I loosen this whole piece will come off and we can put it on the table. And then we can weld it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we'll try that one. I'll do that and I'll show you what to do,
But
and then
don't touch this stuff.
and then I'll help you. Yeah, don't touch
You
it.
cannot touch like this. It might be hot, but this
No,
will be very
don't touch any part of it. If you weld this, like if this was attached and you welded this part would be hot. That's how much heat transfer you have. It gets really, really, really hot. You don't want to touch it. But Daddy touches it all the time because he's not very smart sometimes. I get too excited and I want to work too fast, and I don't let it cool down enough. So sometimes I burn myself, which is not smart.
Why don't you? No, it's not a way to.
Well, that's what
hold
this
it
one.
down.
Now that one is right there. I burned myself with a TIG rod. Right there, I stuck a hot TIG rod in my hand. Silly boy. All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this 3-inch pipe. We gotta go get it out of the truck, and we'll take it in and weld it up.
Okay. I'm going to be TIG welding.
Yeah, he's gonna be TIG welding. So he's got his Ninja Turtle pajamas on because it was bedtime, but Mom doesn't know that I snuck him out into the garage, and we're gonna try to do some TIG welding in his pajamas. So let's try this. Let's get going.
Okay.
All right. I want you to sit with me, okay? Okay. All right. So I hope you're a lefty like me. So what we gotta do is see these welds. We gotta make them. We gotta make them touch. We gotta connect them together. So support the pieces. I'm just gonna jam the hammer in there just like that. Jammy Mr. Handy. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this kind of like a pencil. Right? Can you hold it with your left hand? Or are you right-handed?
Yes.
You're gonna hold it Pencil with your right hand? Alright. We can work with that. Daddy can be right-handed for a little while. I mean, I know you're right-handed, but I was just asking you to be left-handed for a little while. So then I'm gonna move this the opposite way.
And then where are we gonna weld?
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, right? And this is gonna be kind of like, just like a pencil, right?
Like a melting pencil.
And then we're gonna move this along here, really slow, like this. All right? I'm gonna move my hand away because it's gonna get really hot. Okay? I'm gonna move your hand. Up with my hand. Alright? And then hold on to this rod. Right? Yep, so put your helmet on. I'll make sure we get in the right spot. Grab the rod. Hold on. I gotta make sure I can see through. This will be really, really interesting. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the rod here. Right? I can't see. I know. Can you move your head over a little bit? Like this? Can you lean your head like this? Alright, now I'm going to try to put my hand down the down, okay? Alright, I'm going to have to hold on kind of tight, okay? Grab the rod. Grab the rod. And then hit the rod. See the puddle? You see the puddle? Huh? You dip in the puddle. And you move. You dip in the puddle. And you move. Yeah, it does. You dip in the puddle. Move.
That's just a big glob.
It is a big glob, but you did welding.
Yeah.
Alright. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So we gotta move a little bit faster. You wanna try it again?
Yeah.
It's pretty hard for me to see too what's going on, so. I didn't know there was a big glob.
It looks like tiny.
Alright, grab it. Hold it like a pencil.
What?
Hold it like a... Hold it, alright? You hold it. Alright, move your head over. Hold on. Keep your head over here, okay? This will let me help you. Run. Grab my hand. Yep. Wait for a puddle. we are, but we have to move it a little bit at a time. So, when you want to watch? You want to watch what Daddy does for a little while? Sit right here. Daddy's a southpaw. Southpaw. Southpaw means that I do it left-handed. Might be kind of hard still. But keep your head out of the way. I only have a little bit of rod left. I could, but I'm just going to dip a little bit. Alright. Did I get a puddle? More?
It kind of looks like.
A little more?
I'm TIG welding.
I never even TIGged or welded. I never did any of that.
So we kind of messed up because
I did a big blob of metal.
kind of messed up because see the big gap we got on the backside now? Because we didn't tack the other side first.
We could weld it.
We can fill it in though. We can fill it. We can fill it.
Yeah, with the metal.
You want to watch Dad do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, maybe. Alright, so what I think we should do is I will run the torch in the pedal and you dip the rod. Okay, does that sound good?
Yeah.
We'll start there. You dip the rod by yourself and I'll do the torch and pedal. Okay?
The whole thing would mount if we just left it there in one spot.
Well, it would, but it wouldn't be right. You gotta dip. You gotta dip, we dip, we dip, we dip, we dip, dip, dip. I dip, you dip, we dip. Alright. I go. Can you see? Alright, I'm gonna try to go on this side of you. You stay way back. And you just dip in the puddle, okay? When I say dip, you dip in the puddle. Don't touch the tip of this, okay? Just dip in the puddle. Good. Good. Go back. Good. 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 There you go. Good. Good. Go back a little bit. Huh? You did the whole thing. You did the whole run. You just did like an inch by yourself.
Let's do it again.
All right, we'll keep going. But you gotta. So what's really tricky about this? So what Dad does, I keep my hand in the same spot and I push the rod forward with my thumb like this. See how I can keep moving the rod? It's pretty tricky. So right now you were probably going like dip, 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 and getting really close.
And then I had to stop with my other arm and push it like that.
Yeah. So maybe we'll start a little farther back, right? So you can start a little farther back like this, and then you can just move your hand forward. Right? Because I think you gotta hold it really tight, right? Because you want this to be really sturdy, right? So you can dip properly, right? All right. It is fun. Let me see. Puddle. Good. All right. Hold that. Good. Hold that. Yep. Yep. Hold back. Yep. Hold back a little bit. Back. Yep. Yep. Now it's forward. Yep. Yep. Good. Good. Lower. Lower. Where? Hand up. Your leg.
Yeah.
Sometimes a little stuff. Sometimes a little stuff flies off once in a while. A little ching-a-ling, get a little ding-a-ling.
Wait, is that actually a hole?
No, you'll be alright.